Everyone, good afternoon. I'm cooking today chicken. So this is our cook today. Look, chicken breast. This is a chicken breast with mozzarella cheese. So I'll show you. See, this is chicken breast. I put in the oven. So I put some mozzarella and tomato. What?
You talking to yourself?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Oh.
Here.
Oh, I know.
Your phone is in the office, I think. My husband's so funny. I want to try this one. It's already done. So I think it's done. It's yummy. It's done. Mozzarella cheese, chicken breast with mozzarella cheese and with tomato. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.